If you're in need of a great appetizer or a game day snack, a bowl of delicious smoked fish dip might be just what you're looking for.
Welcome to Smokin' Ass Barbecue.
Here's a list of the ingredients I use in my recipe, but you can add more, add less, or leave out anything you don't like. We're going to start out by getting our fish ready. Yesterday I smoked some salmon, so I went ahead and cooked an extra small piece to make my dip with. There's also a video of that on our channel if you'd like to watch it. Now, you can use any kind of fish you want or have on hand. Some other types of fish that work great for this recipe are trout, mackerel, tuna, and catfish. And back home in the South, the most popular and my personal favorite is smoked mullet. I think the best way to do your fish is simply use your hands and shred the fish up into small pieces. I like my dip to have small chunks of fish, but you can shred it up as fine as you like. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to mix our cream cheese and sour cream together. Now, some recipes don't use cream cheese at all. They only use the sour cream. But personally, I like the body and the flavor the cream cheese adds. Another common difference you'll see, especially in southern recipes, is some areas use sweet pickle relish and others use dill relish. I slightly prefer the sweet relish, but this is entirely up to your own taste. And now we'll add our fish to the mix. There's many other ingredients that are commonly used in fish dip. A couple of them are lemon juice, diced red onions, diced celery, and of course hot sauce. I'm adding in a little bit of the mayonnaise now, just so the mix is easier to work with, but don't add it all. That way you can add more after adding in the other ingredients to make the dip as thick or thin as you prefer. Also, if you don't like mayonnaise, you can just use a little bit of milk to smooth it out some. And now you can add all the other ingredients and mix it up well. The paprika doesn't really add any flavor to the dish. I only use it to add some color. All right, it's time to see how it tastes and check the consistency. Mine needed just a touch more salt. Add in, leave out, or adjust things the way you like it. That's the beauty of making your own homemade fish dip. And that's all there is to it. One other thing about fish dip, like certain other foods, it's better if left in the refrigerator overnight to let the flavors marry. This is absolutely not a must, but it really will taste better the next day if you have time. And there you have it. Homemade smoked fish dip you'll be proud to serve. So y'all give this a try, 'cause I guarantee you'll like it.
Thanks for stopping by. See y'all soon.